Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your one-stop channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a thrilling showdown between two 3D printing heavyweights, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 on my left and the Asani Mini 3D printer on my right. Is it a David versus Goliath? Or maybe a Batman versus Superman? Let's find out. Buckle up, because this is going to be one bumpy ride full of laughs, facts, and, of course, some good old-fashioned shade-throwing. First up, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2, priced at a wallet-friendly $239. This bad boy is the budget Batman of 3D printers. It's like getting a Tesla for the price of a used bicycle. And on my right, we have the Asani Mini 3D printer, clocking in at a whopping $500. For that price, you'd think it comes with a personal butler to do the printing for you. But no, you just get the printer and a few accessories. Honestly, Asani, who do you think you are? The Apple of 3D printers? Now let's talk screens. The Photon Mono 2 boasts a 6.6-inch 4K plus HD screen with a resolution that can make even the tiniest model details pop like popcorn on a Friday night. It's like having an IMAX theater for your miniatures. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini offers a 2.4-inch LCD screen. That's right, folks, 2.4 inches. It's like trying to watch a blockbuster movie on a smartwatch. Simone Asani, did you think size doesn't matter? Photon Mono 2 comes with a larger build volume of 165 by 143 by 89 millimeters. It's like having an extra-large pizza when all you paid for was a medium. Perfect for those ambitious, go big or go home projects. On the other hand, Asani Mini is sized for space-saving efficiency, which is just a fancy way of saying tiny. It measures 8.3 x 8.3 inches x 11.4. If you're looking to print a life-sized model of your cat, you might want to look elsewhere. All right, Asani Mini, let's give you a moment to shine. You come fully assembled and ready to go, which is great for folks who think IKEA instructions are a form of medieval torture. It also has easy auto-leveling and a one-touch filament loading system. It's like the Fisher-Price of 3D printers. Just press a button and voila! But Photon Mono 2 isn't far behind with its laser-engraved platform and high printing success rate. It's like having a personal trainer who never lets you fail. Is it just me? Or is Photon Mono 2 starting to look like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printing? Photon Mono 2 comes with the new Photon Workshop 3.0 slicing software, which is upgraded and user-friendly. It's like getting a software update that actually makes things better. Looking at you, Windows Vista. Asani Mini, however, is Wi-Fi capable and compatible with a majority of slicing software, including WeBuilder, Cura, Simplify 3D, and Slick 3R. It's like the social butterfly of 3D printers, making friends with everyone. But remember, just because you can talk to everybody doesn't mean you're the life of the party. Reviewers have praised the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 for its ease of use, high print quality, and sturdy build. It's a favorite among those looking for a low-maintenance printer that delivers excellent results. On the other hand, the Asani Mini 3D printer is highly recommended for beginners and families thanks to its user-friendly setup and reliable performance. It's a great entry-level printer that offers a smooth and enjoyable printing experience. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're Team Photon Mono 2 with its budget-friendly price and high-resolution screen, or Team Asani Mini with its beginner-friendly features and Wi-Fi capabilities, the choice is yours. Just make sure you pick wisely, or you might end up with a very expensive paperweight. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more hilarious and informative product comparisons. Drop a comment below and let us know which 3D printer you think takes the crown. Until next time, stay smart, buy smart, and remember, if your 3D prints start looking like abstract art, maybe it's time to read the manual. Just saying, product links are in the description.